Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync the contacts, the leads from UChat to AirChatty CRM 2.0. Okay, there are two different ways you can sync, but in today we are going to talk about the 2.0 version. Okay, so there are three simple steps. First is you need to connect your AirChatty CRM account in the UChat integration tab. Second is we will build a very simple automation flow, collect the user's email, phone number, and their name if you want. And after that, we will sync that data into AirChatty CRM. Okay? So let me show you how to do that step by step. So first of all, you go to your UChat dashboard and go to integrations, and then scroll down, go to CRM version 2. Okay, so if you are using Go High Level or any Go High Level white label account, it will work the same way. Okay, you can simply use your own account password and information and give the authorization, and you will able to link. Okay, it works the same. So let me click this button and it will show you to visit Go High Level. And here you will use your own AirChatty CRM email and password you received. Okay, so I will use my information over here. So after I put my email and the password, I can click sign in. And I need to receive a security code. So let me see. So I got my code over here. And now let me confirm. So I already log in my AirChatty CRM account. Okay. Now if you go back to this page and refresh, it will allow you to select the account you want to connect. So I will select this one. And then it will go back to UChat. And as you can see, the location ID and everything is already connected. Okay, so that is the first step. And the second step, we will go to build a simple automation flow. Okay, so if you don't know that is for the CRM version 2, that is the triggers is only available in the Omni-Channel. Okay, the actions is available everywhere in any of these individual channels. But if you want to use triggers, it's only available in the Omni-Channel. So let's build a very simple flow, and I will show you how to pass the leads back to AirChatty CRM. So if I open the flows, go to a simple test flow over here. So basically what I will do is I will ask their name, email, and phone number, and then I will pass that information to AirChatty CRM. Okay. So first I will ask, what's your name? And I will save the response into the first name. And then it's connect with another question block that is asking for email. What's your email? And save the response into email system fields. And have another question that is asking the phone number. I choose this phone number. What your phone number? And I select to save the response into phone number system fields. Okay. At the end of that conversation, I will display everything I have and ask the user to confirm. If they confirm, and then we will sync this leads information into AirChatty CRM. So I will have a simple message. Here is your detailed information. Name. Okay, and I will pull the first name, email, and I will pull the email, phone number, So if you are already in the SMS or WhatsApp or the voice channel, which is already phone number based, so in those channels, the user ID is already the phone number. Okay, so you do not need to ask the phone number again. Please confirm your information to proceed. And I will have a quick reply. Yes, I confirm. Or I will have another quick reply is I want to change. So if they want to change, so basically what I will do is I will link them back to the first question. Okay, I just simply connect these two blocks. Okay, and if they want to confirm, so I will now connect to an action, and in this action you need to go to the integrations and select CRM version 2. Okay, and then in the drop down you need to choose the action create contact. So in this here, the first name, we will use a variable which is already saved. If you also want to ask the last name and save the full name, you can do that. Okay, in here we will save the emails and we will save the phone numbers, and that's the information we have. Okay, and let's save that. Ideally, what we should do is when we test the request, okay, ideally we should, for example, have some test data, test email test@gmail.com, phone have a test data. Ideally, we should test the request and invalid country calling code. Okay, so I needed to make it more, they have some format controls. Okay, so I needed to invalid country. Okay, so maybe I need to add a plus sign. So now you can see the contact is already created. Okay, so if you want to save the contact ID, which is, I think you need to do, okay, if you want to make the changes for the contact in the future actions, that is a unique ID. You can actually click this. Okay, it will select this this value, and you can save into a variable. Okay, so I think I have a GHL user ID, so I can just simply click add. So when this action is triggered, when this contact is created, I can actually save the contact ID directly into a system field. Okay, so next time if the user is triggering to this flow, I want to check, do I need to sync this data into the AirChatty CRM? If I already have this custom value available, that means I already know this user already exists in the system, right? So I do not need to sync again. So you can use this value that way. Now we will continue to the next step, and we will say that the contact has been synced to. And you can add a separate message if this is failed. Okay, so you can send your message so that is failed to sync. So that will help you to to debug and to debug the information. Okay, so now we have built everything over here already, and now let's go to the contact. You can see this test contact is already here because we just triggered the action. So we can delete that. And ideally, when we collect the information in the bot, when that action is triggered, you should able to see the contact is coming. Okay, so now the contact is already deleted. Now let's preview this flow. let's preview this. I will preview in the web. It's easier for me to put the data in and see how it works. So what's your name? Matthew from UChat. Okay. What's your email? What's your phone number? So as you know that you need to make sure this phone number have the plus sign and the country code, and also it has to be a correct format. Otherwise, if you sync the phone number as well into the AirChatty CRM, maybe you will have some errors, okay? And you just need to make sure it's a correct format. And it will ask you to confirm the information. I will say I confirm. You can see we received a success message. And if I refresh in AirChatty CRM, you will see all the information is coming to the system already. Okay, name, email, and phone number is already here. And that is how you build out the automation, simple automation in UChat, and how you can sync the leads, the contact into the AirChatty CRM. And one more thing I need to highlight is actually if you are using the CRM version 2, in the automation, in the triggers, you will find that is CRM version 2 webhooks. Okay, as long as this contact is synced with GoHiLab, with AirChatty CRM, and all these things happening in the AirChatty CRM, that will able to trigger the automation you want in UChat. Okay, so for example, we have every inbound message, outbound message, contact created, deleted, update, or you add the text to the contact, create note, delete note, opportunities, create, delete, update, and the task, delete, create, complete. Okay, so all these can be the triggers that, if any of these events happening in the AirChatty CRM, you will able to trigger the automation in UChat. Okay, that is one of the huge benefit if you are using CRM version 2 to connect. Okay, so basically, yeah, that is the whole video content for today. And in this video, we actually talk about how to connect your AirChatty CRM. There are two ways. Okay, you can use CRM version 1 or you can use CRM version 2. In this video, I'm showing how you to connect through CRM version 2. Okay, and I also show you how to build a very simple automation and how to sync these contact leads into the AirChatty CRM. And also, if the contact is successfully created in the AirChatty CRM, you can save the contact ID into your user custom fields. Okay, those can be used in the further actions you want. For example, if you want to add the tags, if you want to trigger the workflow in AirChatty CRM, that unique contact ID is mostly required. Okay, so yeah, that is the video for today, and see you guys next time.